Hey guys, welcome to my very first video on bouncing your IP, and for that I will be using proxy chains. Before starting the actual stuff, let me show you my current geolocation. To get my public IP, I am using curl command, and then storing the output in a variable. Below is my public IP. And then I am using GeoIP to get my current geolocation. Let's use awk command for filtering out the columns. Here I am printing 4th and 5th column. This is how the default proxychains.conf looks like, and currently it has only one IP, and that too is commented out. I am gonna execute my first script, that will populate the .conf file with SOX5 IP. So for bouncing the IP I have written a small script. This script will iterate over all the IP in the .conf file, comment out the uncommented IP, and vice versa. Here I am using seed command for commenting out the preceding line IP, and then uncommenting the IP of current iteration. Here we are going to bounce the IP after every 1 minute. Now I am gonna execute bounce IP.sh. Again I am using curl command to get my IP, and assign it to variable, but this time I am using proxy chains. Above IP not uncommented from the .conf file. Again I am using GeoIP to get my current geolocation, followed by up command for filtering out 4th and 5th column. Below is my current geolocation. Again I am using curl command to get my IP. But this time the proxy IP might not be up, that's why I am getting timeout. Again I am using curl command to get my IP. Above IP not uncommented from the .conf file. Again I am using GeoIP to get my current geolocation, followed by up command for filtering out 4th and 5th column. There are a couple of sites that you can opt for free SOX5 IP,